In the air, on land and at sea, where excellence, precision, and reliability define success, Ashot leads the way. Under one roof, we design, manufacture, and deliver some of the world's most advanced power transmission solutions. Thanks to our complete vertical integration, we control every stage, from raw materials, initial processing, to the final product, ensuring the highest quality in the shortest possible delivery time. Our engineering team solves the most complex manufacturing challenges, transforming ideas and requirements into products by developing efficient and robust production processes. We make engine shafts, transmissions, high-lift systems components, electromechanical assemblies, landing gear parts, and tungsten products. Driving the aerospace and defense markets forward, our products power the world's leading aircrafts. Every time you take to the skies, you're flying safely thanks to the trusted systems crafted by Ashot. We take a major role in driving the dominant land platforms in today's battlefield. For over 65 years, Ashot has delivered critical systems to the world's top aerospace and defense customers, recognized globally for excellence. Ashot's products and processes are fully qualified to the highest aerospace standards and are certified by leading aerospace OEMs. Our American company Reliance Gear, with its advanced manufacturing capabilities, delivers to our customers at the core of the world's aerospace market. We don't just supply products, we forge strategic partnerships, solving complex challenges and delivering fast, precise solutions tailored to every need. Ashot, propelling the world's greatest platforms forward.